Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to find out when you created your account on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're curious about your account's history or need this information for reference, it's a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, open X in your preferred web browser on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Locate and click on the More icon. This will expand additional settings and tools. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the list of options. Once inside, click on Your Account, which is where all the essential details about your account are stored. Now, navigate to Account Information. For security purposes, you may be asked to enter your password at this stage. Enter it to proceed. Once you're in the Account Information section, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Account Creation. Here, you'll see the exact date when your account was created, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you've uncovered the origin date of your X account. This simple process allows you to explore your account's history and reflect on how long you've been part of the platform. Thank you for following along.